Exploring the enigmas of microbiome communication within our bodies. Drs. Maayan, Levy and Christoph Thaiss, both esteemed assistant professors of microbiology at Penn Medicine, are on a quest to unravel the enigmatic world of the microbiome, an intricate collection of microbial entities intricately linked with the human body. Their pursuit revolves around deciphering the profound ties between the microbiome and the fundamental physiological systems of the body. The term, gut bacteria, often conjures thoughts of probiotics, digestion aids, and the impact of antibiotics on the intestinal environment. It might even conjure images of fashionable diets designed to optimize gut health. However, within the corridors of Penn Medicine, two visionary researchers entertain a more profound perspective. Driven by the conviction that comprehending the microbiome's intricacies holds the key to unveiling the core mechanisms underpinning our physiological functions, Maayan, Levy and Christoph Thaiss, assistant professors of microbiology at the Perelman School of Medicine, hypothesize that these microorganisms might resemble a switchboard in a call center, facilitating connections vital for communication between organs, biological systems, and even the brain. In their vision, the microbiome could emerge as the linchpin to decoding the intricate symphony of inter-organ communication. The tantalizing signals of gut bacteria resonate across the body, initiating a myriad of biological processes. However, the precise mechanics of this crosstalk, both between the gut and other bodily components, and among different organs themselves, remain cloaked in mystery. The deeper we delve into the myriad roles played by the microbiome in a spectrum of maladies, spanning from cancer to neurodegenerative disorders and inflammatory conditions, the more imperative it becomes to fathom its precise role, contends Thaiss. With this understanding, we may harness the potential of the microbiome to combat these ailments. Levy and Thaiss assumed their roles at Penn Medicine subsequent to completing their postgraduate studies in 2018. Within these walls, their endeavors center on dissecting the microbiome's impact on diverse biological processes. Thaiss's laboratory is a crucible for exploring the microbiome's influence on the brain. Recent breakthroughs encompass the identification of gut-residing bacterial species that activate gut nerves, sparking the inclination for physical exertion. Notably, Thaiss has also published a seminal study spotlighting cells responsible for transmitting psychological stress signals from the brain to the gastrointestinal tract, thereby triggering symptoms associated with inflammatory bowel disease. Meanwhile, Levy's domain is an arena for scrutinizing how the microbiome shapes the trajectory of afflictions such as cancer, as well as other conditions spanning the body spectrum. In a recent publication under Levy's authorship, a compelling revelation emerges. Following a ketogenic diet, the body generates a metabolite named beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, which in animal models curbs colorectal cancer. Presently, Levy collaborates with Bryson Katona, an assistant professor of medicine specializing in gastrointestinal malignancies, to assess whether BHB yields similar effects in individuals grappling with Lynch syndrome, a genetic predisposition to an array of cancers, including colon cancer. This endeavor aligns with Penn's burgeoning emphasis on pioneering methodologies to intercept cancer at its inception. Levy and Thaiss's research often involves human samples and data procured from the Penn Medicine Biobank, validating insights gleaned from animal models by applying them to human tissues afflicted by the very conditions they investigate. While Levy and Thaiss embark on distinct research avenues within their laboratories, their paths frequently intersect, capitalizing on their prior studies to shed light on the microbiome's activities and its contributions to the intricate web of physiological processes that safeguard our well-being. Their overarching ambition revolves around unraveling the mechanisms underpinning the gastrointestinal tract's influence on disease processes in other organs, ultimately leveraging this insight to formulate interventions for a diverse array of ailments, a vision that harnesses the gastrointestinal tract as a non-invasive conduit to healing. Numerous formidable diseases afflicting humankind, ranging from cancer to neurodegenerative disorders, present challenges in treatment due to the brain's formidable fortress, explains Thaiss. Should we unravel the intricacies of how the gastrointestinal tract communicates with other bodily organs, including the brain, we may unlock pathways for interventions, imparting messages through the body's natural communication channels. Undoubtedly, a wealth of rudimentary biology awaits discovery before realizing these aspirations, Levy adds. Crucially, our focus remains on charting the multitude of conduits through which the gastrointestinal tract engages with the body, unraveling the secrets of this communication.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.